Hey, have you ever stopped to think about how being stuck in the rat race of chasing money puts a cap on your potential growth? You end up feeling like a paid slave, trapped in a system controlled by a few elites, spending your life without ever truly tasting financial freedom. But guess what? That ends now. How about we break free from this age-old cycle of poverty? And you know what? It's totally doable once you get a real handle on the psychology of money, how it truly works, and how to use that knowledge to achieve genuine financial independence. Take that inaugural stride towards financial success. Subscribe now. With those 9 hacks, you'll already be on your way. Hack number 1. If your situation allows it, starting a business reduces taxes. If you are a business owner, you will reduce your tax burden. So if you are thinking about jumping into the world of entrepreneurship, it's not just some wild idea. It's a strategic move worth considering. Let's get into the details. Businesses aren't taxed based on their total income. Instead, they face taxes on what's left after deducting legitimate expenses. Picture this scenario: strategically investing the money your business earns in items that directly contribute to its growth and operation, resulting in a lighter tax load. Now let's go deeper into the strategy. Ramp up your business expenses. Ever wondered why savvy entrepreneurs opt for good cars? It's more than just a luxury, it's a calculated business expense. Streamlining client meetings becomes a breeze, and the car, along with costs like fuel, becomes a deductible expense. Tally up business meals, hotel, and other related expenses, and you'll be amazed at how much you can slash off your taxable income. This is the crucial difference between how businesses and individuals handle their finances. Businesses earn, invest in essential activities, and then get taxed on what's left. On the flip side, individuals earn, get taxed, and then spend what's left. The average American shoulders around a 27% tax burden on their income, while counterparts in Europe contend with an even heftier 50%. Meanwhile, corporations often find themselves skirting between 0 to 3% in taxes. So, if you're seeking a game-changing financial strategy, consider the entrepreneurial path, where smart spending isn't just smart, it's a proven tax-saving tactic that can reshape your financial landscape. Hack number 2. Work smarter than hard. Listen closely and listen well. As long as you're exchanging time for money, you'll never achieve wealth. Why? Because there are only so many hours in a day to trade, and even if you trade them all, you'll hit an earnings ceiling. Your income shouldn't depend solely on you. Instead of being the money-making machine, build the machine that makes money for you. This is why mastering the art of solving systems is crucial. Without reclaiming control of your time, you'll always struggle financially. Consider this: 8 hours for sleep, another 8 for work, 2 hours wasted in traffic, leaving you with a mere 6 hours for essential activities like eating, chores, self-investment, relationships, and leisure. Realistically, there's not enough time for everything. People often sacrifice these vital aspects without realizing they're what truly make life meaningful. You're not just here to work and pay bills until you die. Now, here's a mind-boggler. Making a modest income requires the same effort as making a substantial one. This concept baffled us for years until a mentor set us straight. Focus on puzzles with bigger rewards. It took us years to find and solve a different puzzle, but the payoff was immense. For example, if you're earning $2,500 a month working as a freelance graphic designer, you could potentially earn $10,000 a month by starting your own digital agency. The process is similar, but the potential for growth and profit is much higher. Pushing it further, imagine earning a substantial income by specializing in niche markets like UI/UX design for big companies or architectural visualization. The time and effort are mostly the same, but the returns are exponential. Hack number 3. Don't be the machine that makes money. Build the machine that makes money for you. As much as possible, try to set up ways to make money that aren't all about clocking in hours. Whether it's running your own business, investing, receiving royalties, or earning rental income, aim to break free from the time for money trap. Think about it like this. It's super important to take charge of your time if you want to avoid being stuck in the same financial rut. Picture your day: 8 hours for sleep, another 8 at work, and at least a couple more wasted in traffic and unforeseen circumstances like car breakdowns or family emergencies. That leaves you with just 6 hours for eating, chores, self-improvement, hanging out, family time, sports, and, of course, a little romance. We're all hustling, grinding away at work, and before we know it, the day's over. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, but hey, life's not just about punching the clock till you drop. It's about savoring every moment, making memories, and living your best life. You are not here only to wake up, work, pay bills, until life flickers away. Hack number 4. Never borrow money for non-essential expenses. Seriously, why are you swiping that credit card for unnecessary luxuries? Whether it's the latest gadgets, designer clothes, or extravagant vacations, borrowing money for these things is a surefire way to dig yourself into a financial hole. We get it. Sometimes life throws unexpected curveballs, and you might need a quick cash injection. But before you rush to borrow, consider the long-term consequences. Predatory lenders prey on those in need, charging exorbitant interest rates that can trap you in a cycle of debt. And most people aren't even aware of it. When you add up all the deferred payments for the television, the car, the washing machine, the mobile phone, and the loan for that trip to Europe, the total amount starts to balloon far beyond what it initially seemed. Take a look at the world of online lending. While it may seem convenient, many borrowers end up drowning in high-interest loans, struggling to make ends meet. These lenders capitalize on desperation, offering quick cash with astronomical interest rates attached. And let's not forget about student loans. While education is undoubtedly valuable, borrowing tens of thousands of dollars for a degree with limited earning potential is a risky gamble. Many graduates find themselves burdened with crippling debt and few job prospects. But it's not just personal loans and student debt. Many people fall victim to the allure of easy money through risky investments or get-rich-quick schemes. Whether it's cryptocurrency, day trading, or multi-level marketing, borrowing money to invest in speculative ventures is a recipe for disaster. Of course, there are a few exceptions. For example, taking out a mortgage to purchase a home can be a strategic investment in your future. But even then, it's crucial to borrow responsibly and within your means. For more insights on responsible borrowing and financial management, check out our video on mortgages right here on this YouTube channel. We're here to help you make informed decisions and build a secure financial future. Hack number 5. Realize that $500 in passive income is worth more than $5,000 of earned income. This might sound a bit out there initially, but trust me, once you think about it, it'll all make sense, especially if you're already savvy with finances. Let's break it down. Scenario 1. You're bringing in $10,000 through your hard work versus $1,000 passively flowing in. Sure, that $10,000 paycheck seems like the ultimate win, right? But hold up. To rack in that cash, you're putting in those long hours, navigating office politics, and constantly hustling. It's like a never-ending grind where you're always on the move. Now, compare that to the $1,000 passive income. It's like having a little money machine humming away quietly in the background. Whether you're out enjoying yourself or just chilling at home, the cash keeps rolling in without you having to lift a finger. No boss breathing down your neck, no stress, just a steady flow of income. And think about all the freedom that comes with it. With that passive income, you're not tied to your desk or your boss's demands. You can pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, or simply relax. It's like having the best of both worlds, money and time. Scenario 2. Let's amp it up a notch. You're earning $10,000 from your job versus $1,000 from passive sources. Sure, that $10,000 salary sounds impressive, but let's be real. It likely means sacrificing your weekends, burning the midnight oil, and feeling the weight of stress on your shoulders. It's like being stuck on a never-ending treadmill of work. But check out that $1,000 passive income. It's like having a little financial cushion that's always there for you, no matter what. Whether you're snoozing in bed or jet-setting across the globe, the money keeps trickling in, quietly padding your bank account. And let's talk about quality of life. With that passive income, you're not just living for the paycheck. You've got the freedom to enjoy life, to spend time with family, pursue your hobbies, or explore new adventures. It's about living life on your terms, not just clocking in for a paycheck. So, while the idea of earning big through hard work might seem appealing, sometimes it's the passive income that truly sets you free. It's not just about the money, it's about the lifestyle it affords you. And when you've got that kind of freedom, well, that's worth its weight in gold. That's why it's smart to invest wisely to build up that passive income stream. And hey, if you want to learn more about how to do that, make sure to subscribe to TurboFinance for videos that'll show you the ropes. Hack number 6. Invest as much as you can. In this spirit, start to build your freedom money as fast as you can. The official guideline advises investing at least 10% of your income, but why stop there? Push yourself to increase that percentage to the max. It's not just about the numbers, it's a shift in mindset. If you view it as sacrificing that little treat you've been eyeing, it'll feel like a drag. But if you reframe it as investing in your own freedom, suddenly it becomes empowering. Think about it this way. Every dollar you invest is a step closer to financial independence. It's not just money sitting in an account, it's your ticket to a life where you call the shots. And here's the kicker. By giving up a few indulgences now, you're actually strengthening your independence. It's like building up your financial muscles. Start small if you need to. Increase your investment gradually until it becomes second nature. And here's a pro tip. Don't wait until the end of the month to invest whatever's left over. Trust me, there's never left over when we talk about money. Instead, set up an automatic transfer the day after payday. That way, you're prioritizing your financial future from the get-go. It's a game changer. Hack number 7. Don't wait until you have a good salary to start investing. Imagine building a wall brick by brick. It's a slow, deliberate process. Wealth is similar. It's built over time, not through sudden strokes of luck. Many people, especially those struggling financially, often hold on to the idea of hitting the jackpot or striking it rich overnight. But the truth is, most wealthy individuals didn't rely on chance. They understand that wealth is a result of consistent effort and smart decisions. Take a look at how many financially struggling individuals handle money. They don't hesitate to spend $10, $50, or even $100 on unnecessary items, yet balk at the idea of earning the same amount. It's as if small sums aren't worth their attention. However, they fail to realize that wealth isn't built on grand gestures. It's the accumulation of small, consistent actions. Now, here's the kicker. Building passive income doesn't require vast sums of money. In fact, you can start with as little as $10 to $50. Yes, you heard that right. It's always been possible, but many people lack the knowledge to see it. The simplest and most affordable way to generate passive income is by investing in dividend-paying companies. These companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing a steady income stream. How do you do it? Utilize investment platforms like Robinhood, Revolut, or eToro to purchase shares in companies that pay dividends. Start small and gradually increase your investments as your wealth grows. Remember, building wealth is like building a wall, one brick at a time. If you want to change your financial situation, you need to educate yourself and take action. Stop waiting for external factors to make you rich. Instead, empower yourself with knowledge and start making informed decisions. There are 3 essential books to read on wealth building: Money Master, The Game by Tony Robbins, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and my favorite, Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. You can have this fantastic book on mastering finances available at an incredibly low price. Check out the link in our bio to grab your copy. These books cover the fundamentals of wealth creation and are invaluable resources for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy. Investing in yourself is crucial. While some may see books as expensive luxuries, the reality is that investing in your education is a small price to pay for long-term financial freedom. Number 8. Keeping money is tougher than making it. You know, a lot of folks think that making money is the hardest part, but let me tell you, most of us have earned a buck or two in our lifetimes, and we'll probably keep doing so. But here's the real kicker. The real challenge isn't just making money, it's hanging on to it and making it work for us. Making money? Piece of cake. You can hustle, work a job, or sell stuff and you're good to go. But when it comes to managing and growing that hard-earned cash, that's where things get tricky. Take someone like Mike Tyson, the boxing legend. He made millions upon millions during his career, but guess what? Despite all that dough, Tyson faced some serious financial woes. From splurging on fancy stuff to legal troubles and just plain bad money management, he ended up declaring bankruptcy in 2003. Yup, even with all that cash, he still couldn't keep it together. While he's been trying to bounce back, his story serves as a big ol' warning sign about the importance of managing your finances wisely. And let's not forget about the everyday folks who find themselves stuck in a never-ending cycle of spending more than they earn. It's like a constant struggle to keep up appearances and chase after financial stability. But here's the deal. When we take a step back and really think about it, we realize that building wealth isn't just about making money. It's about making smart choices, investing wisely, and planning for the long haul. So next time you're tempted to blow your paycheck on something flashy, think twice. Building real wealth isn't about showing off, it's about making your money work for you and securing your financial future. Trust me, that's where the real success lies. Hack number 9. Profit is different from a salary. Rich individuals don't just think about their salary like the rest of us do. They're all about profit, the money left over after they've paid all their expenses, including their employees' salaries. It's a mindset shift that's all about making that extra dough that gives you real freedom. When you start thinking in terms of profit, you realize that a salary only covers your basic necessities. It's the profit, the extra money you have after all your expenses, that truly empowers you. Profit provides you with the freedom to pursue your passions, invest in new opportunities, or simply enjoy life without worrying about the bills. And the best part, although starting a profit may be more challenging, unlike a salary, it has no ceiling once achieved. Now, ever wondered why the top students sometimes end up working for the ones who barely scraped by in school? It's not about book smarts, it's about attitude. The straight A students are great at following the rules, but life's not always about following the script. On the flip side, those B and C students, they're adaptable, resourceful, and not afraid to take risks. They're the ones who might end up starting their own businesses or landing high-paying gigs that the A students never even considered. And get this, in many places, a skilled mechanic can bring home more bacon than a teacher. It's a reality check that reminds us, success isn't always about following the traditional path. So, the moral of the story, don't get stuck in the mindset that success is all about grades and degrees. Keep your eyes open for opportunities, think about profit, and be ready to hustle for the life you want. Final tip? Start working to achieve the results you desire. Stop squandering money. Write down your daily expenses. Once it's documented, you can assess if your actions are making a difference. Many folks simply go with the flow, hoping things will improve magically. But here's the reality. Your life won't improve unless you do. Eat better, educate yourself, earn more, and stop wasting time. Strive to become better each day. Thank you for spending this time with me. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to TurboFinance so you never miss another video. Before we part ways, I'd love to know, which of the hacks are you planning to apply, or perhaps you're already implementing some? Let me know in the comments. I'll be reading.